Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is Speech as a Nature for Fancy Dress in English. Please subscribe my channel. Good morning respected teachers and my dear friends. Today I am presenting a role of nature. Hi, I am nature. I give you fresh air and beautiful flowers. Enjoy my trees and plants. They keep you healthy. Listen to my birds singing sweet songs. Protect my rivers and oceans. They are precious. I provide fruits and vegetables for you to eat. Take care of my animals. They are your friends. Walk on my grass and feel relaxed. I give you sunshine and rain for life. Love and protect me, and I will always be here for you. Thank you.